I'm going to show you how to fine-tune your models at Nebius Token Factory using 4 steps. Go to Post-Training tab, start a new training. Step 1, upload your data. We recommend both training and validation data sets. Step 2, select a model and set fine-tuning parameters. Step 3, kick off the training. And enjoy your favorite drink while training is happening. Step 4, once the training is done, your models will show up under Private tab. Deploy your model. That's it. So bring your data. We have everything else covered. Oh, and don't forget your drink. Check out the links below for resources and code you can use.